How to add TikTok link to Instagram profile? Let's begin with the video. To begin with, open the TikTok app on your device and head to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. From there, click on the three lines menu at the top right and select Settings and Privacy. Next, look for the Share Profile option. Then click on the copy link to copy your TikTok profile link. After that, switch over to the Instagram app and open your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Once you are inside, tap on Edit Profile. Then select Add Link option. At this point, choose Add External Link and paste your TikTok link into the provided box. Moreover, add a title for the link. Finally, once you are done, hit the checkmark icon at the upper right corner. As a result, your TikTok link will now appear on your Instagram profile. And that's all. This is how to add TikTok link to Instagram profile.